It all began the other day, a long time ago, and now it seems it's always been there, deep in my soul. Fell into the chaos when I fell into the hole. I took a ride out to the island. Ooh, I used to be a sensible man, but now I just don't know where I stand in this beautiful mess. Such a beautiful mess. Under the stress, it's so beautiful. Wonder how life got so cluttered when it seems so clear. Everything I focused on began to disappear. Losing my direction in a car I couldn't steer. Took a chance on a rescue. Ooh, my place was at the top of the hill.